Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustanCho.com. I want to talk to you today about, paying off your mortgage early. So, let's say you have a 30-year mortgage and your payment's $1,200 a month. You make one extra $1,200 payment per year, then your mortgage payments will be 25.5 years. So you'll knock 4.5 years off of your mortgage. If you look at the amortization schedule on that, you're going to see that it's going to save you hundreds of thousands, maybe $50,000 to $100,000 on a $300,000 loan over the life of the loan. That's huge. You make 2 extra payments a year, you got a 20-year mortgage basically. I'm telling you, I highly recommend it. The banks don't want you to do it because they want you to keep refinancing and starting over 30 years, and they want to own you. If you make those extra payments, you're beating the system. That's how you do it. Give me a call if you got any questions. 630-915-7550. Thanks.